Introducing Kutzall's Contour Carving Wheel. The contour wheel mounts on a 5/8 inch 11-threaded shaft found on most angle grinders. It comes in both fine and coarse grit, as well as a variety of sizes and shapes. You can choose to remove the blade guard before mounting or add the hardware while it is on. If you do remove it, please place it back on the angle grinder before use. For an upgraded experience, try the performance-enhancing poly-plug accessories. Choose the long screw when using poly-plugs and short screw if mounting without it. Lastly, thread the screw and tighten accordingly.